Gucci man bag, screaming back. Control the coke with a stir. I was always trapping, that's what. Control the coke with a stir. His or hers for sure. Like how you kill it, murder. Lil' mom, we the realest on the curb. From the ugly corner with the birds. Whole team gon' flip. Check out the boogers in the protect. Diamonds in the neck, impress. My guess, bet she pull up in a dress. I can never cause no stress. I can never listen what she says. I just want a bitch up on her head. Free my niggas on them prison bed. Go, 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 go. I remember running from the po-po. With a big stick, no po-vo. Finna be rich, can't go broke. Help me hit a lick on the low-low. Help me send a pic, no photo. Coming with a drip like whoa, whoa.
Hey my beautiful fairies, it's been a hot minute, but I am back with another hair video. So this video is going to be sponsored by Omgherhair Hair. You guys have seen me work with them before. All the wig details will be down below in the description box, but this is a ombre 180 density 13x6 deep parting invisible HD lace wig. Like I said in my other Omgherhair hair video, this lace is amazing. I have not used a wig that has this invisible of a lace like ever. I'm just going ahead and cutting my ear tabs. So this wig is definitely small head friendly, but we got to do a little bit of customization. Yes, the wig does fit my hair pretty nicely, but I definitely have to push the hairline back just a little for it to look a lot more natural. And I have a whole new way of how I do my plucking on my wigs. I will definitely be doing an updated plucking video in my next video, so definitely be on the lookout for that. But this hairline is absolutely giving. I'm doing a side part and I'm also doing a middle part just to show the versatility of the wig. The parting space does go pretty far back and you get a good amount of parting space going closer to the ear tabs. I'm going to be using some mousse just to lay down this kinky straight hair just a little bit more. It'd be a lot easier for me to go in with my flat iron and my hot comb when the hair is already molded down with some mousse beforehand. And I'm also going to use my blow dryer just to blow dry that mousse down and mold that John into place. And y'all can see this hairline is absolutely given. It is really invisible, and this is even before I go in and tint the lace. I'm doing a little bit of plucking in the hairline. We want to make sure that this looks as believable and as realistic as possible. And I'm also going to take some lace powder and put that in the hairline as well. So this is going towards my 6-month natural hair update. I'll be doing a whole video. I'm thinking about dyeing my hair. I don't really know, but these grays is really popping right now. It is showing my age, okay? And we need to dye this hair. So I'm debating if I want to do like a sandy brown or a jet black. Let me know in the comment section what color will look best for summer and just what color y'all want to see in general. So my hair is growing and flourishing. If y'all have not already, go and check out my natural hair regrowth or hair growth video. It is in my PCOS playlist as well as my recent uploads. Y'all will see that the products I've been using is really growing my hair, making it so thick, and I am loving it. This is a scalp serum, and I have learned that my hair does the best when I'm using a serum versus an oil. And y'all can see that my hair can swoop there is into a ponytail. This is amazing because last time I grew my hair out, it took about 9 months to get into a ponytail, and this time it only took me 6 months, period. So I'm just taking some Pattern Beauty. This is a custard. I actually use this as like a gel, and I'm just going to use that to gel my hair back just a little bit more. I'm going to be installing this hair twice today, so make sure y'all stay tuned for later on for the reinstall. I'm going to be using Erica J's hair products today. I have not used my girl's hair products in mad long. The time is up. It is here. I'm going to be using her new formula for her gel, and I'm going to use that just to gel my hair back. And then I'm also going to be going in with her new 2x holding spray. I know she has her original holding spray from like maybe 3 years ago, but she came out with a newer version of that one, and it is amazing. The hold is fantastic. fantastic, y'all. I'm gonna use that lace spray first just to have my hairline cling to something, because we are gonna be going in with that favorite fantastic mousse y'all saw from my last video. I'm gonna be mixing that in with some lace tint mousse. These two together, fabulous. It tints the lace, holds its lace down, melts that lace in. I am loving the whole lace spray and mousse technique. You can use just the mousse, or you can use the lace spray and mousse for summertime. It's just two different options, but either way, the melt is given. I let the hair melt for about 25 minutes, and now I'm going in to straighten the hair. I do show you guys two different styles you can do, whether it's a light bump at the end or it's a curled version. I show you guys later on, but I'm just straightening the hair with my EAP heat flat iron, my ultimate favorite. I've been using it for about 2 or 3 years now. The best flat iron for kinky straight hair, hands down. The heat on this John is absolutely amazing. And then I also bump the ends and layer the hair just a little bit as well. And this is how my side part is looking. The hair is mad silky. The layers is making the hair look so much more fuller, but I wanted to switch it up and do a reinstall, do a middle part, and do some curls. So I've gotten to wear this hair for a little bit over a month. Check out my TikTok, timestamps don't lie. I've been wearing it on and off, and the lace is still popping. The hair has not shed from the hairline at all. I plucked this maybe about like 5 times, not even gonna lie. First I had it in a side part, then I did a middle part, but I just went in with that Erica 2 times lace spray one more time just to get that base down for the wig. Going in with that mousse yet again. We don't have to tint it because the wig is already tinted, so I'm just gonna use some makeup as my tint and just mousse that hairline down and let that sit for about 25 minutes. So while my hairline is sitting with the elastic band, I went ahead and did my makeup. This makeup tutorial is on my TikTok. Make sure y'all go and check it out. Your girl is back on social media times 10, okay? Curling the hair, but not really straightening it because I want as much texture to show as possible. We want that volume, okay? So I'm gonna take this rolling brush. I got it from Amazon. It's like a heat roller, and I'm going to use that just to curl the hair. And then I'm also gonna take a Hot Tools curling iron just to bump the ends. And I'm just gonna do my entire head and come back when we are taking the curls out.
I used to work the day away. I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's count the days till I fade away. But you know I always find my way to turn a bad look in the field to something solid. I'm on target for a major play. Used to waste the day away. She hit me to say I'm on her mind, but my commitment to the game got me OT till I OD, and then I fade away.
So I let the curls sit for about like 45 minutes. I just catched up on some power episodes, and I'm going to do a few more flip there is with the rolling brush, and I'm also going to cut a few layers into the bangs. I want that to flow and frame my face nice and perfectly. And after I cut a few layers, I'm just going to use the rolling brush again just to curl that hair in the front. And then I was noticing that the hairline was still just a little bit too low. I can kind of tell when I need to cut the lace because it will kind of stick up on my forehead. So wherever the lace was sticking up, I just cut a little bit closer to the hairline. And when I do this every single time, it looks so believable. I'm just doing a little tug test to show y'all how that 2 times holding spray times the mousse really lets this lace melt and hold so nicely. And that is pretty much the end of the video. This lace melt is absolutely the best I have done like ever on my channel. It looks so believable, no baby hairs, and the curls and this kinky straight hair, the kinky straight hair in general is just absolutely flawless. I'm so happy I decided to cut some layers and curl the hair. Thumbs up this video. Make sure y'all leave some comments down below. Let me know how I did on my first install back. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.
I'm not missing if I'm shooting mine. All I ever did was take the risk and learn in real time. How you think I'm up right now? I'm stuck. And it's real.
a renaissance. All in on myself, I treat the movement like an enterprise. Take a look around, you think we made it to the end of time. How you think I'm up right now, been living on this type of time.